Hi everyone, today tutorial I'll show you how to get the upcoming work anniversaries of the employees. Our dataset contains name, birthday and join date. So based on the join date, we are trying to find out the work anniversaries of the employees. Before doing the tutorial, I want to just show you what is the fraction means. So when it's come to month, compared to year, the fraction is 1 divide by 12. So the fraction of month compared to year is 0.083. So just remember this fraction value will be used when we are doing this tutorial. So for a 1 month compared to year, the fraction is 0.08. In this tutorial, we use Yearfrac function. So I'll quickly show you how we can use Yearfrac, what is the purpose of it. So we create a new measure. We call that Yearfrac. So Yearfrac function shows difference between 2 days as a fraction. So we can give a start date as let's say Jan 10th Jan 2023, and the end date we can say 12th October 2023, and we go with the basic one. There are functions, you can read the Yearfrac function in the documentation. We go with one actual one, right? So if I show you that value, it's 0.08. So that what this mean is difference between these days taking as a fraction of the year. So let's say if I set here 2nd Feb, so then it's just only 1 month, the value should be 0.08. So 0.09 because it's second. So if I say 1, so then it's just a 1 month. The fraction of compared to year is 0.08. So let's say if you set it to March, 0.60, like that. So between 2 years, let's say if you set it 1st of Jan 2024, so then it shows 1 here. So that is what the Yearfrac function does. And one more thing to remember, let's say if you want to get the year, let's say 2025 here, right? So then maybe 2 years, let's say here we set it as maybe March, right? So as you can see, 2 full years and year fraction is 1.06. So that is how it comes. And then in this tutorial, I use mod function as well. I'll show you what happens when we use mod. So then if I use mod, it will only return the fraction value. So that also I need it in this tutorial. Just don't want to show you what happens. So let's say if you use mod, it will return, it will remove the full years whole number and give you only the fraction. So that also I need to remember when we are doing the tutorial. Okay, now we create a new table called anniversary table to filter the upcoming anniversaries. We use calculate table function and then sheet 1 and then filter function. So this is the important one. Right, from this table we are going to now write the function. Right, so first I need to take the fraction value of the 2 years, join date and the today. So for that I use Yearfrac function with mod. So start date is sheet 1, join date, and then I need to compare it with today, right? And I need to take the mod value here. So then only it will return the function, only the fraction, right? So I use the mod here, right? Then what I'm going to do, right? So for a 1 month, the fraction is 0.08, right? So then this value, and it should be upcoming. So it means 1 minus this value should be less than or equal to 1.12 the next month, right? So then I'll use function here. Okay, it gives a syntax error. Let's see where. Okay, right. Right, as you can see, all the anniversaries which falls on month next month will come. So January, every January month anniversaries are displaying here. Let's say if I want to get a 3 months, next 3 months anniversaries, so then I just need to change 3 here. There's no, so then let's say if I want to set 5 6 months, so if I set it 6 months, all the anniversaries which is falls on April, upcoming May will be coming as a value. So now all the data will be in the anniversary table. You can display as you want. So this is the tutorial. You can use this function for getting the upcoming anniversaries. Thank you very much and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.